men need to use their influence, their knowledge, and resources to support those who identify as women. Allyship is important in making sure that everyone is not only invited to the table, but is also heard, acknowledged, and recognized for their contributions. So when research has shown that when embarking on gender equity work, the progress for women actually increases from 30% when women are working alone to 96% progress when men join in. But the problem is that men are mostly missing from this work. If you sit and think about, who in your organization or who that you've heard about or follow, it's really a majority of women in their organizations and as consultants that are doing the lion's share of addressing harassment. But as you know, that men are about 2/3 of the legal profession, so that's a lot of missing male allyship. There's a lot of power in male allyship. There's a number of researchers in this subject, David Smith, Brad Johnson. They are at the Naval Academy and at Johns Hopkins, respectively. And they find that men have the power to institute change. They can model respectful behavior. They can effectively silence offenders, and they can be effective bystanders. You've probably heard about bystander intervention. There's a professor at Cal State, Lynn Bowes Sperry, who likes to talk about bystander intervention not as intervention, but rather bystander involvement in gender and sex-based unproductive work behaviors. I love